Just wanted to make a quick video. I'm running out of time today. This is the, we had a client that had a 145 millimeter bolt hole circle on his motor. And I put in 3 patterns here. The biggest one is the 145. The next size down is 135, so he can use it with the frames, the TI frames that are currently coming from Florida base. Those have the 135 millimeter bolt hole circle. What I also added on here was the 127, and you can drill this out with 1/4 inch and then add little countersinks if you want. If that's what if most people have the 127 bolt hole circle, but you can't fit the new TI frames because of the 135 bolt hole circle, and also because they made the opening larger at the neck, and so you can't use them. So you need to use these something like this. You don't have to use this exact thing, but something like this. This is an adapter ring. We had 4 of them made. They're $65 each. I have 3 left. I made them for a client, and I figured if he has that problem, there's going to be other people that have the same problem. So if you want one, just let me know. Text me, 602-312-6504. Introduce yourself, let me know what your needs are, and then we'll go from there. I also have 2 of these CSP motors brought to you by Big Perm. If somebody wants a pair of 12s or 15s, let me know. We can build these out. Again, we just use the 60 millimeter wine height all copper 8-layer coil, which is quad 2 ohm. So we can make it dual 4, we can make it dual 2, whatever you want. I think that's it. I got to run to Phoenix and get some frames from Robotti & Son. What else? Well, I got to go to Recoil. I got to straighten out some billing, and then I got to pick up some foam at Canyon State Bex. I love you guys. If somebody wants to meet me sometime, just coordinate with me. I connect with people all the time while I'm in Phoenix, and you know, give you your stuff or whatever. It's fine. It's fucking great. Love you guys. Thank you very much. Again, today is the last day for GONZO Jr. pre-sale. Get your funds to me ASAP. If you need to use credit card, that's fine. Just do it through PayPal, which is paypal.me/BlackJackAudio, all one word. BlackJackAudio, all one word. I love you. Talk to you later.